this video, you will learn how to check isoline values and how to use the Fix option in the Histogram tool. After adding the tie-up using one of the available options we saw in the last video, you can check the isolines related to the movement of the blast and corresponding values by clicking on the Isolines tool. You also have the ability to, when clicking on the Histogram tool, fix the blast, as in, adjust how many boreholes are detonating in the same time window. When you add connections to your blast pattern, an MIC value will be generated, and there may be more than one borehole detonating in the same time window. With the Fix option, you are able to correct this by either selecting to fix the normal or cumulative delay.